I'm fine.
Thank you.
Sir,
Everyone
I'm
is here,
fine.
I think.
Assalamualaikum, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you? Okay, let's start. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Actually, with this structure, we are trying to understand how to express the profession of any person. Okay. একজন মানুষ কি করে সেটা আমরা এক্সপ্রেস করার চেষ্টা করছি we are trying to understand and how to say the name of a person. Okay, now how to use this structure in future tense, এটাকে কিভাবে ফিউচার টেন্সে ইউজ করতে হয়. ওকে, like I am a farmer, right? But if we say it in the future tense, what shall we say? I want to be a farmer. Okay, or I shall be a farmer. Okay, so first we shall see how we can use this structure in future tense. Okay. Okay, Nuha, can you read them, please?
Yes, sir. ফিউচার টেন্স ভবিষ্যৎকাল, কেউ একজন ভবিষ্যতে কিছু হবে। আই শ্যাল বি আ ডাক্তার, কেউ একজন ভবিষ্যতে কিছু হবে। আই এম গোয়িং টু বি এ ডক্টর, কেউ একজন ভবিষ্যতে কিছু হতে চায়। আই ওয়ান্ট টু বি আ ডক্টর, কারো ভবিষ্যতে কিছু হওয়া উচিত। আই শুড বি এ ডক্টর, কাউকে ভবিষ্যতে অবশ্যই কিছু হতে হবে। আই মাস্ট বি এ ডক্টর, কেউ ভবিষ্যতে একটা কিছু হতে পারে। আই ক্যান বি এ ডক্টর, কাউকে কিছু হতে দেওয়া। লেট মি বি অ্যান ইঞ্জিনিয়ার।
Okay. So you must know about future tense, right? Everyone knows about future tense?
Yes, sir.
What is future tense? Who can say, Manha? Can you please tell us what is future tense?
স্যার ফিউচার টেন্স ইজ ভবিষ্যতের কোনো কিছু বোঝানো হয়।
Okay, in the future something will happen, or we are talking about future, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay, Aryan, can you tell what is future tense?
That the future tense is a tense that explains what is going to happen in the future, what can happen, what should happen, and what can happen, like that.
Okay. So Tiba, can you say the classification of future tense? What are the kinds of future tense?
Our future tenses, there are 4 kinds of future tense. Future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future
Okay, who can say?
Sir, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense.
Okay, good. So today we shall see some examples of future tense. তোমরা এগুলি কি সবাই বুঝেছো?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we shall see the examples, okay? Let's
Okay,
see some
sir.
examples. Please. Okay, now let's see some examples, okay? Okay, first one. Who will read? Manha.
Sir, I want to.
I shall
Okay,
be
I
a
can see the
doctor. I shall be a doctor. আমি একজন ডাক্তার হব. He will be engineers. আমি প্রকৌশলী হব. He will be a police officer. সে একজন পুলিশ অফিসার হবে. She will be a shopkeeper. সে একজন দোকানদার হবে. Abias will be a scientist. Abias একজন বিজ্ঞানী হবে. They will be farmers. তারা কৃষক হবে. You will be an architect. তুমি একজন স্থপতি হবে. You will be players. তোমার খেলোয়াড় হবে. তোমরা খেলোয়াড় হবে.
Okay, now have you found any difference? We are saying that you will be an architect, তুমি একজন স্থপতি হবে, but in the second sentence, you will be players. We are saying তোমরা খেলোয়াড় হবে. Why is it like that? Who can say? Abias, can you say it? It's okay.
Sir,
Okay, why is it তোমরা and why is it তুমি? Who can
yeah,
say?
but sir, you, the second person you is used in both, in plural and in singular.
Okay, Abias, have you understood? You can be used for singular and plural also, right? Like for তুমি we can use you, and for তোমরা we can also use you.
I actually didn't know that.
Okay, you actually did not know that. Toki, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, what is clear? Can you explain, please?
Yes, sir. I can explain.
Okay.
So should I explain all or some?
No, you and you. What is the difference between singular and plural?
Sir, plural means something that
Like you এর meaning কখন তোমরা হচ্ছে এবং you এর meaning কখন তুমি হচ্ছে. Can you explain? Toki, I think you are muted. We can't hear you. Okay, please.
when there's a plural, there is more than one person,
Okay.
like 2 or 3, 4, 5, something.
Okay.
So there we can use tumra.
Okay.
And
Good.
in
And for that we can use you, right?
yes, sir. In
Okay,
singular person, there is only one, not 2, not 3,
Okay.
not more than one. So
Okay.
we can use you.
Okay. Got it. Got it. So have you understood this structure? When shall we use I shall be a doctor, we will be engineers? সবাই কি বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes,
যখন
sir.
আমরা ভবিষ্যতে কিছু একটা হতে চাই, someone wants to be something in the future, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ayat, can you say 2 more sentences with shall or will?
I shall be an engineer.
Hmm?
I shall be a doctor.
Okay, it's written here. You have to say something which is not written here.
Oh, I shall be a doctor.
It's written here.
Yeah.
You have to say something that is not written here. এখানে লেখা নেই এরকম কিছু একটা বলতে
I
হবে.
can do
2
Oh,
sentences.
oh.
I can do it.
I shall be an artist.
I shall be artist. Okay, Abias, can you say 2 sentences?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Go to the school.
No,
I
in
shall
this structure. It's not like that I shall go to school.
Oh, occupations.
Yes, yes.
I shall be an architect.
I shall be an architect then. You can use other subjects also.
I can do. He will be an artist.
He will be an artist. Okay, Shushmit.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Welcome to our class.
Sir,
Okay. Welcome to our class.
thank you, sir.
Okay. So we were just discussing about professions. I mean, if we want to be something in the future, we can use shall or will. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
want to
Okay,
say,
Logno,
sir.
can you read them, please?
Sir, I want to say, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm going to be a doctor. আমি একজন ডাক্তার হব. We are going to be an engineer. আমরা প্রকৌশলী হব. He is going to be a police officer. সে একজন পুলিশ অফিসার হবে. She is going to be a shopkeeper. সে একজন দোকানদার হবে. Abiyaz is going to be a scientist. Abiyaz একজন বিজ্ঞানী হবে. They are going to be farmers. তারা কৃষক হবে. We are going to be an architect. তুমি একজন স্থপতি হবে. You are going to be a player. তোমরা খেলোয়াড় হবে.
Is it okay? You are going to be a player? Sushmit, do you think it's okay?
Yes, sir.
But I
You
don't
are
think.
going to be a player? It's okay? You think?
No, sir. I
What's
said
wrong
that
with that?
I can be a player. That's okay.
Yeah. I mean, Logno, when you are saying players, it is plural. So you cannot use a before that, okay?
Okay, sir.
Logno, have you understood?
Yes,
When
sir.
হ্যাঁ, তুমি যখন বলছো players, it means it is plural, বহু বচন, plural, okay? So you cannot use a before that, okay? So you are going to be players. Okay, Diham, please read them.
I'm going to be a doctor. আমি একজন ডক্টর হব. We are going to be engineers. আমরা প্রকৌশলী হব. He is going to be a police officer. সে একজন পুলিশ অফিসার হবে. She is going to be a super সে একজন দোকানদার হবে. Abiyaz is going to be a scientist. Abiyaz একজন বিজ্ঞানী হবে. They are going to be a farmer. তারা কৃষক হবে. You are going to be a architect. তুমি একজন স্থপতি হবে. You are going to be players. তোমরা খেলোয়াড় হবে. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. So is it clear when shall we use shall or will and am going to? Manha, you want to say something?
Sir, can I
No, sir.
read that?
Shayan, okay, please.
I am going to be a doctor. আমি একজন ডাক্তার হব. We are going to be engineer. আমরা প্রকৌশলী হব. He is going to be a police officer. সে একজন পুলিশ অফিসার হবে. She is going to be a shopkeeper. সে একজন দোকানদার হবে. Abiyaz is going to be a scientist. Abiyaz একজন বিজ্ঞানী হবে. They are going to be farmers. তারা কৃষক হবে. You are going to be an architect. তুমি একজন স্থপতি হবে.
Good.
You are going to be players. তোমরা খেলোয়াড় হবে. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Sir, I
Okay,
want to
next. Okay, your name, please.
Fariha Jannat.
Fariha Jannat. Next time, you please log in with your name, okay?
Okay.
Okay, please carry on.
I want to be a doctor. আমি একজন ডাক্তার হতে চাই. We want to be engineers. আমরা প্রকৌশলী হতে চাই. He wants to be a police officer. সে একজন পুলিশ অফিসার হতে চায়. She wants to be a shopkeeper. সে একজন দোকানদার হতে চায়. Abiyaz wants to be a scientist. Abiyaz একজন বিজ্ঞানী হতে চায়. They want to be farmers. তারা কৃষক হতে চায়. You want to be an architect. তুমি একজন স্থপতি হতে চাও. You want to be players. তোমরা খেলোয়াড় হতে চাও. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Anyone wants to read this slide?
Sir, I'm Tasmia. I want to say.
I can write.
Sir, I want to say.
Okay, Tasmia, please.
Yes. I want to be a doctor. আমি একজন ডাক্তার হতে চাই. We want to be we want to be engineer. আমরা প্রকৌশলী হতে চাই. He wants to be a pilot officer. সে একজন পুলিশ
He wants
অফিসার.
to be a police
সে
officer, yeah.
একজন পুলিশ অফিসার হতে চায়. She wants to be a শপকিপার. সে একজন দোকানদার হতে চায়. Avias wants to be a scientist. Avias একজন বিজ্ঞানী হতে চায়. They want to be farmer. তারা কৃষক হতে চায়. You want to be an architect. তুমি একজন স্থপতি হতে চাও. You want to be player. তোমরা খেলোয়াড় হতে চাও. Thank
Okay,
you, sir.
thank you. Thank you.
I can read.
Okay.
Sir, I can read.
Sir, I
I
can read.
Okay,
I
who is
should
reading?
be.
Can I read?
আমি একজন
Okay, Amina
ডাক্তার
Mariam.
হওয়া
Okay, everyone will read. Don't worry, okay? Okay, Amina Mariam.
I should be a doctor. আমার একজন ডক্টর হওয়া উচিত. We should be engineers. আমাদের প্রকৌশলী হওয়া উচিত. He should be a pilot officer. তার একজন পুলিশ অফিসার
Police
হওয়া
officer.
উচিত.
Hmm.
পুলিশ অফিসার হওয়া উচিত. She should be a shopkeeper.
এখানে বাংলাটা ভুল আছে। এখানে দোকানদার হবে, ওকে।
ওকে, তার
হুম।
একজন দোকানদার হওয়া উচিত. আবিয়াজ should be a scientist. আবিয়াজের একজন বিজ্ঞানী হওয়া উচিত. They should be farmers. তাদের কৃষক হওয়া উচিত. You should be an architect. তোমার একজন স্থপতি হওয়া উচিত. You should be players. তোমার খেলোয়াড় হওয়া উচিত.
Okay, Shushmit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when do you use should?
Should means that they must be or they should be. They're qualified for it and everyone expects them to do that. So তাদের উচিত
Yeah.
এটা হওয়া।
They are qualified for that. I mean, they have the quality to be something, and people expect that they should be something. Okay, like
Yes.
Tiba should be an architect. Shushmit should be a businessman. Something like that. Okay. Have you understood? Ayat
sir.
should be a doctor. Diham should be an engineer. When we say that, it means he has the quality to be something and he should be something. That thing. Okay. সবাই কি বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, may I read this slide, Aryan?
Aryan should be a billionaire.
Sir, may I read this?
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. Like Aryan should be a billionaire, right?
Oh, sir, I don't want to be a billionaire. I want to be a trillionaire.
Trillionaire, okay. That's good. Ajita, are you there?
Yes,
Sir, may I read?
So what do you think what you should be?
I should be a singer.
I should be a singer? Oh, that's great. Can you sing a song for us now?
Now,
Yes. 2 lines is okay, I think. Okay, you guys, do you want to listen to the song of Ajita?
Sir, after class.
Sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, after class, we shall listen to the song of Ajita, okay? 2 lines.
Sir, I actually don't want to be a trillionaire or billionaire. I want to be a undercover assassin who's under the CIA and I'll assassinate people.
You want to be an assassin? Okay,
Yes.
that's what should I say? That's adventurous. Okay.
I
So
want to be
now,
an
now everyone should say what you should be in your life. Okay. I shall ask one by one. Okay, Abhyas, what do you think? What you should be in your life?
I should be an army.
I should be an army officer. Okay. Nasika.
Yes, sir. I should be a doctor.
Nuha.
Sir, I should be software engineer.
Okay, Orin. You can explain a little bit if you want to. Okay. Why do you think that
স্যার
you
আপনার
should be
কথাগুলো
something?
স্পষ্ট শোনা যাচ্ছে না
You can't listen to me? Others can listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So wait, we finish this slide, then we shall discuss. Okay, who wants to read now?
Sir,
I want to read.
Sir, I want to read.
I want to read.
Okay. Okay, Sadaf, please.
Okay. I must be a doctor. আমাকে অবশ্যই একজন ডাক্তার হতে হবে। We must be engineers. আমাদের অবশ্যই প্রকৌশলী হতে হবে। He must be a police officer. তাকে অবশ্যই একজন পুলিশ অফিসার হতে হবে। She must be a shopkeeper. তাকে অবশ্যই একজন
এখানে দোকানদার হবে।
দোকানদার হতে
দোকানদার।
হবে।
হুম।
Abias must be a scientist. Abiasকে অবশ্যই একজন বিজ্ঞানী হতে হবে। They must be a farmer. Must be farmers. তাদের অবশ্যই কৃষক হতে হবে। You must be an architect. তোমাকে অবশ্যই একজন স্থপতি হতে হবে। You must be players. তোমাকে অবশ্যই একজন খেলোয়াড় হতে হবে। Thank you.
Okay,
Sir.
thank you. Okay, wait.
Can you hear me?
So what do you think? What is the difference between these two sentences? I mean, I should be a doctor and I must be a doctor.
Sir, can you hear me?
Means I think it's not mandatory or it's exceptional. I think that it's optional that you can or if you don't want you cannot, but must means you have to. I mean it is অবশ্যই তোমাকে হতেই হবে।
Okay. Okay, Farhana Jannat, are you there? Okay. Anyone else wants to read this?
Sir,
I also read. Sir, can I read this?
I want to tell.
Okay, wait. If you want to read any slide, you first raise your hand. There is a button in the WhatsApp. There is a button in the WhatsApp. You raise your hand, then I shall make serials. Okay? Okay, that's great. That's great. You are raising your hands now. Okay. So the person who will raise the hand first, I shall give him the chance first. Okay? Okay, Nasika.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I was the first, sir.
No. I am saying that Nasika is the first one. Okay. Nasika, please.
I must be a doctor. আমাকে অবশ্যই একজন ডাক্তার হতে হবে। We must be a engineer. Must be engineer. আমাদের অবশ্যই প্রকৌশলী হতে হবে। He must be a police officer. তাকে অবশ্যই একজন পুলিশ অফিসার হতে হবে। She must be a shopkeeper. তাকে অবশ্যই দোকানদার হতে হবে। Abias must be a scientist. আবিয়াসকে অবশ্যই একজন বিজ্ঞানী হতে হবে। They must be farmers. তাদের অবশ্যই কৃষক হতে হবে। ইউ মাস্ট বি অ্যান আর্কিটেক্ট। তোমাকে অবশ্যই একজন স্থপতি হতে হবে। ইউ মাস্ট বি প্লেয়ার্স। তোমাকে অবশ্যই একজন খেলোয়াড় হতে হবে।
Okay, good. Diham.
I must be a doctor. আমাকে অবশ্যই একজন ডাক্তার হতে হবে। We must be engineers. আমাকে অবশ্যই প্রকৌশলী হতে হবে। I must be a police officer. তাকে অবশ্যই একজন পুলিশ অফিসার হতে হবে। She must be a shopkeeper. তাদের অবশ্যই একজন
Dokandar. It should be Dokandar. It's wrong there.
Abias must be a scientist. আবিয়াসকে অবশ্যই একজন বিজ্ঞানী হতে হবে।
They must be farmers. তাদের অবশ্যই কৃষক হতে হবে। You must be an architect. তোমাদের অবশ্যই একজন স্থপতি হতে হবে। You must be players. Be players.
তোমাকে অবশ্যই একজন খেলোয়াড় হতে হবে।
তোমাকে অবশ্যই একজন খেলোয়াড় হতে হবে। Sir.
There is something wrong with this sentence. Can anyone say what is wrong in the last
Yes,
sentence?
sir.
Tiba, can you explain?
স্যার তোমাদের
Okay, okay, let Tiba speak. Aryan.
There must be players.
Okay, okay.
তোমাদের there
Okay,
must
I asked
be
Tiba. Let Tiba explain.
players,
Okay,
sir.
Tiba explain.
Player.
Okay, Tiba, can you explain?
Yes, sir. In the meaning, ওখানে লেখা there is written তোমাকে, but in the English sentence there is plural. So if we write plural, then we must write তোমাদের. That's the mistake.
Have you understood?
Yeah.
What is wrong here? Explain.
So you must be players is plural and তোমাকে is not plural. So তোমাকে must be plural. So
It should be তোমাদের. And is there anything wrong? I have written here একজন. Is it okay? If I write
No.
তোমাদের,
তোমাকে অবশ্যই খেলোয়াড় হতে হবে। একজন is
Singular.
singular, so it has to be plural.
okay, so it should be তোমাদের অবশ্যই খেলোয়াড় হতে হবে. So let's see who else can explain that mistake. The same thing. Ahmed, can you explain the mistake? What is the mistake here? Aryan, there is a raising hand button in the WhatsApp. You can push the button, okay? Instead of raising hand like that, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Ahmed, can you explain what is wrong here? Ajita, can you explain what is wrong here? Ajita?
Yes, sir. In the English sentence, it is written, you must be players. So this is Bangla translation should be, তোমাদের অবশ্যই খেলোয়াড় হতে হবে.
Okay.
Here it is written, তোমাকে অবশ্যই একজন.
খেলোয়াড় হতে হবে.
Yes,
Okay,
that's
good.
the mistake.
Okay, good. Thank you. I think we can move on.
Sir, can I drink a glass of water?
Sure, you can have. Okay. So have you understood everything? I mean, আজকে আমরা যা পড়েছি, is it clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Boy. Yes, you can. Okay. সবাই কি বুঝেছো, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is written in this slide?
Divided into 2 and 3 groups. So it is a game.
Yeah, you people are playing every day.
Oh, I know that.
Sir. It is written that students can also be asked to create as many sentences as they can. So one person can say a million sentences.
Okay, if you want,
I can leave.
we shall give you the freedom.
Sir, I can leave.
Who is it? Ahmed?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
sick or you need something else?
What's the structure?
Ahmed, you want to leave now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is there any reason? I mean, do you have any other tuition or something like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's okay. So now we know the groups, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are we up to the competition today?
Yes, sir.
Am I in the tiger group?
I don't know. You should remember in which group you are.
Yes,
Oh,
Okay. The group, the members are written in the in our WhatsApp group also. So you should know in which group you are. Okay.
স্যার আমার নাম তো কোনো গ্রুপেই ছিল না।
কে তুমি? দিহাম?
না
দিহাম,
স্যার, আরাশ
সুশ্রী,
মারজান।
মারজান?
স্যার আরাশ মারজান, ইয়েস স্যার।
Marjan, okay, you are in lion group.
স্যার
আমি কোনটা
Tiba, can
দিচ্ছি
you
স্যার?
make a note, please? Marjan is in lion group.
স্যার, I'm
Hmm.
Diham. Which team
Diham.
I am?
Sir,
Okay, Diham is in tiger
sir,
group. Okay.
sir, I did a mistake and wrote Arosh instead of Arash.
Arosh is okay, I think.
Sir, everyone's group is same as yesterday.
Yes, same.
Sir, is Diham in?
Farhana Jannat. Okay,
Sir, is Diham in Tiger group?
I don't know.
Diham.
Diham is in tiger
Diham
group.
is in
Yes,
lion group. Sir,
But you
Diham is
told
in
that
lion group.
Diham is in Lion group.
lion group. Yes.
You-
No. This is confusing. I mean, I wrote the names in the group. Do you check the WhatsApp group? Because I cannot memorize who is in which group. So you should remember you are in which group. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Leave it. Okay. So, which group will tell the sentences first?
Sir, tiger, tiger, tiger,
Tiger.
tiger.
Sir, I don't find the which team I am, sir.
Okay. Give me the names. Okay, can I please repeat it? আজকে বলে দিচ্ছি, please remember it, okay? In the tiger group, Logno, Aryan, Manha, Fariha, Orin, Toki, Aditya, Moriom, Sadaf, Nasika, Arosh, Amina, Diham. Okay? They are in
Arush,
tiger.
Arush, sir, Arush is in lion group.
Yes sir.
Sir, Diham and Arosh is in Lion group.
Okay, Arosh and Diham, right? Okay. Okay, now lion group. Tiba, Ojita, Salehin, Tasmia, Ayad, Abias, Ayat, Sushmit, Diham, Nuha, Niham. Who is Niham?
Sir, I'm Diham. I'm
Huh?
not Diham. Sir, I'm Diham. I'm not Diham.
Jiham.
D-I-H-M, Diham.
Okay. Jiham, Nuha, Sadat, Marjan, Arosh, Diham. Okay, let's begin.
Sir, can tiger group say first?
Sir, how many points is for one sentence?
Okay, Toki.
Sir,
Toki in tiger group, okay?
Sir, how many parts for one sentence?
I think Farhana. Are you Farhana Jannat?
What is that?
Okay, let's begin, okay?
How many points is for one sentence, sir? Sir,
Yes.
how many points? How many points is for one sentence?
How many points? Okay,
Yes,
it's
sir.
only the number of sentences, okay? So we
Okay,
have
sir.
3 minutes.
Sir, someone's mic is on.
Someone's mic is on. Whose mic is it?
Or please mute your microphone.
Kind of
Okay.
weird sound is coming out.
Are you ready? Everyone?
Turn off your mic.
Okay, everyone, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
First, tiger group will say the sentences, okay? Then lion group. Ready? 1,
Yes, sir.
2, 3. Logno. Logno.
Yes, sir.
You say the sentence.
No,
Uh,
quick.
We should
Sir,
be
may I say
We should be.
an architect.
We should be an architect. Is it okay? I
No,
don't think so.
sir.
Manha, are you counting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aryan.
we should be engineers. We should be architects.
No,
We should be
only
farmers.
one is allowed. Manha.
Sir, here it said that students can also be asked to create as many sentences as they can.
You are wasting your time. Manha.
We must be an engineer.
We?
I must be an engineer.
I must be an engineer. Okay, Fariha. Fariha. Orin. Orin. Toki. Toki. Can't you
May
hear
I
me?
say the words? Sir, I'm in sentence.
You have to okay. তোমাদেরকে খেলার নিয়মটা আবার বলতে হবে। You don't know the rule of the game?
Sir,
Okay,
I
আমরা
know.
বললাম যেমন shall be, will be, want to be, then should, then must, এগুলি দিয়ে সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করতে হবে। This is a sentence making competition, okay? There are two groups here. The group that will make maximum sentences will be the winner, okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
When
Yes,
I
sir.
shall say anyone's name, he will say a sentence. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everybody
Yes,
clear?
sir. It's clear.
Okay, let's
Yes, sir.
start.
Yes, sir. Sir,
1,
but
2, 3. Logno. Logno. Aryan.
we should be lawyers.
We should be lawyers. Manha.
She will be a police officer.
Hariha.
We should be doctor.
We should be
Doctor.